Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with this super easy and instant sweet recipe which is regular pera and chocolate pera. So in this Rakhi, make your brother happy with this instant and easy sweet recipes. Now let's start with the recipes. Let's make the chocolate pera first. First, in a small bowl, add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/8 cup of cocoa powder. Instead of cocoa powder, you can use choco chips or any chocolates. So if you are using this, then melt it and mix with the milk. Now mix it well with the help of spoon or whisk, so later we can easily use it. So heat up a pan, add 1 cup of milk powder and roast it for 2-3 minutes. Roast it on low flame and continuously stir it or else you will burn the milk powder. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1/4 cup of sugar, adjust as per your taste. Then add the cocoa powder and milk mixture. Then immediately mix it or else it will get lumps. And the most important thing, the whole recipe will be on low flame. After mixing it well, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. I am using ghee and the whole process will take only 8 to 10 minutes. Now add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Adding salt is optional and add 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is also optional. Now mix well all the ingredients and cook on low flame until this will start leaving the sides. In between that, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped dry fruits. That will make your pera more tasty. But adding dry fruits is completely optional. Now you can see the mixture has started leaving the sides of pan and you can see the consistency as well. It won't take much time. Now stop cooking and immediately transfer into a plate. If you don't do that, then the pera will get more harder. Now leave it to cool down completely. During that time, I will make the regular pera. So now let's start. Now follow the same process as earlier. Roast the milk powder for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add sugar, milk and mix it immediately. But here I am adding a pinch of yellowish food color to give it a market look. You can obviously skip this part. After that, add ghee and mix it well. Then add salt and cardamom powder, which are optional. And now wait for the mixture leaves the sides. Do the whole process on low flame and it will take just 8 to 10 minutes. So now the mixture is leaving the pan and the consistency is also perfect. So turn off the flame and immediately transfer on a plate. Then leave it to cool down completely. After 20 to 30 minutes, the mixture has came to room temperature. Now knead it for 2 to 3 minutes and equally divide in small dough balls. After that, give your desired shape to the dough balls. Here I am giving the regular pera shape. Now for that, oil your hands and take a dough ball. Roll it in between palm and press it with a finger. Now follow the same process and shape the other dough balls. I have made the regular pera as well. And now for garnishing, just adding a dry fruit on the top, but you can obviously skip this part. Now rest it for 1 to 2 hours in room temperature before serving. And now the chocolate pera and the regular pera is ready to serve. So try out the recipe and leave a suggestion below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.